Hello everyone, a Leetcode a day. Today our problem is add strings, which is 415 in Leetcode. The question is, given two non-negative integers, num1 and num2, which are represented as a string, and we want to return the sum of those two guys. So still, this is quite similar to the second question in Leetcode, but that one, the num is represented as linked list, but here it's represented as strings, and there is not a lot of algorithm behind it. We just implement the math. So one trick here we use is we use a list in Python to record the result because list is a mutable type, so we can do a lot of manipulation over list, and string is immutable. That's why we first use the list to record the result, and then we format it as a string when we return it. Okay, let's look at the code. So first we create a result list as we talked about. And of course, one of the most important thing in this question is this carry. So for each of the digit we calculate, we have to record the carry for the next digit. Then we use a for loop, right? Because we have to calculate the digit one by one. And another thing is actually we calculate from the end to start, right? Which is very similar to how we were taught to calculate two numbers when we are in primary school. Because those two numbers might not be of the same length, so we have to do some. We have to deal with the edge cases when L1 or num1 and num2 have different lengths. So value 1 is the value from at this digit from number 1, because if num2 is longer than num1, then sometimes we have to assign 0 to value 1, and it's the same for value 2. And then we calculate the remainder. We have to add those three guys together, the value 1, value 2, and the carry, and then take the remainder by 10. And carry, of course, is to add them together and double divide by 10. And then we add this remainder to our result list. And this is also to deal with another edge cases, like when after calculating all of the digits in num1 and num2, we still have a carry like 1 or 2 there. In that case, we still need to deal with that specific one and add them to the result. And finally, this is the way, like we said, how we change or format this result list to a string. That's it for add strings. If you think this video helps, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.